Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here for the week of January 13th through 19th in my HOBONICHI weeks, and I'll be using stickers that are coming out this Friday in my sticker shop. These are the winter roses. So these were painted using fountain pen ink, and then I've scanned them and made them into stickers. One of my favorite things are these ink splatters. Absolutely love them. All right, so let's get started. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is draw in the lines here. Now you can see there is a little bit of bleed through from the week before, but I think that's mainly due, not necessarily just the paper, because the paper has a huge part in that, but I think it's mainly the ink. I'm finding that the Birmingham Penco inks that I'm using are the ones that bleed through, and then my other inks seem to be okay. So I am drawing two lines here to separate the weekly section into 3 different grids, because I use one for weather, one for my to-do list, and then one for my work schedule and any appointments or anything like that. So now that that is split, I think what I'm going to do is add a few of these ink splatters down here at the bottom, but I want to cut them in half so that, yeah, I think cutting them in half might be the way to go. Yeah, but I'm also going to use some of this as well. I'm almost afraid to use this because I'm gonna eventually run out. This is, I guess, cream whiteout that I thought I was out there, so that somebody had sent me. And I know I can get these from Paper Plus Cloth in Toronto, but I need to find where else I can get them. But it's the cream color that matches the color of the HOBONICHI Weeks paper. So I'm going to just start cutting these in half and hope that eventually they, I guess, make sense in terms of where I want to put them down. Okay. Or should I do them like this? Ooh, I like that better. Something different. And then next one. Oh, you know what? I like that better. Being able to do both directions. Yes. That's cool. Then, do I have room for one more? I could if I do this one maybe? Yeah. I'll cut that in half. Somebody gave me a tip a while ago that it was easier to cut them straight if they're still on the sticker paper, and I absolutely agree, rather than peeling them off and then trying to cut them after. Oh, I like that. That actually looks really cool. Then I'm going to use maybe some of this washi. Now I placed the big deco sticker on this, on the bottom last week, so I want to balance that out by maybe putting deco sticker here, because I don't want all of the bulk sitting in one part of the planner, because then towards the end of the year it's just going to make it really difficult to write in. So I'm placing just like that, maybe a combination of a circle with one of the florals. Let's do this one. Oop. My fingers. Okay. Then let's see, do I put it like this? Like this? Like so, like it's cascading down. I like that. And then maybe one more in this corner, so it's not exactly here, or maybe down here, but then Always so hard to choose, but I actually like the combination of the grid with the circle and the flower, the floral sticker. So I guess I'll do one more. This is why I like decorating the weeks, because it doesn't require, I guess, a ton of work on my part. But also I know that I can't spend too much time decorating because I do need the space. And that's crooked, but I don't care. Let's do one of the ink splatters, like so, and then one of the smaller flowers. And then I'll be able to use the rest of these in my spreads at the back. Okay, I'll keep that like that for now. Then let's organize this here. Then I will go in and write in my work shifts, but I first need blotting paper because I am messy. And I just find it easier to write on blotting paper. Okay, so I say work shifts, but it is my work schedule. And I'm using, actually no, I want to use, and this might be risky, I want to use my Laban 325. This has a medium stub nib and it has Ferris wheel press stroke of midnight. So let's write in my work. Yeah, this is quite the wet combination. The reason that I like to write my work schedule in here is, one, there are going to be the occasional changes to it, and two, I do have Thursdays where the schedule is slightly different. I do have a separate work planner though, and I don't even want to call it a work planner. It literally is just a notebook, because I don't go in and write meetings in there or anything, because my schedule changes so much. Now there's things that I do need to do this week. I'll actually write them in a different color, or using the dots, highlighting specific things here. Like for example, there's a few things happening on Wednesday, but I'll put 2 down. Actually, there's 3 things happening on Wednesday. Oh, there goes Lucy. So I'll write them in here. So we have Henry's. Can you guys hear Lucy? If you can, I apologize. And then we have our cleaner coming. And then at 6 o'clock, I have my manicure. Then, oops, on Thursday, I have, you know what? I really need to get back into using my mini icons, because I haven't really used them since moving into this planner, but, oh, where did I put them all? But it's also been a little bit difficult to try and use them in here because, ooh, I had a mannequin sticker. It's been a little bit difficult because this is smaller for sure. No. Weighing scale. So I'm going to Weight Watchers on Thursday, if I can peel that. And that's also the day that my husband has to go pick up groceries. So and then my husband picks up groceries. There we go. It's always so satisfying to finish a sheet of stickers. Okay, these fit in here okay. I guess that's good. I was always wondering whether they would. pick up groceries. Okay. And then there's things I'm already thinking that I need to do this week. And then, let's see, do I have, nope. I should have swimming stickers for Henry. And Henry's not a ninja anymore. Now he's taken up badminton. So I'm wondering if I should create a badminton icon sticker for him. But anyway, he has started swimming and he's loving it, absolutely loving it. I feel like there's something else that day though. Yep, I was right. Lucy has a grooming that day. So just use my little paws and then write down that Lucy. Lucy's grooming parlor is called Hollywoof. Isn't that cute? And then Henry has swimming from, I got the time wrong last weekend. I thought it was 11:30. It was actually at 12. No, sorry, not 12. It was 11:15. Oh my goodness. And then 11. I think it was because badminton is at 11:30. So there's the mix up, but he got there just in time. Okay, so that's basically the schedule for the week. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna clean up here. Okay, now I'm gonna write in my to-do lists for the day, and I'm gonna stick to the extra fine nib that's on my Esterbrook SD here. So to-do list on Monday is the usual meal plan. Order groceries. And I do need to, actually I can do that tonight, that's fine. And then Tuesday, my husband will put out the garbage because garbage day is Wednesday morning. And then Wednesday, I need to go to the bank. I need to get a form. Thursday, my husband is picking up groceries. And then, actually, what I will need to do, we'll see how I feel the rest of the week, really. Yeah, and then Friday, I'll leave that. I'm gonna leave that as is for now. Oh, I do have to take Robin to the rec center. I just need to figure out what day. So now, I'm gonna go in with these and basically write down my lists here. So using my Moonman or Mahjong A1, I'll write down tasks. And this pen has actually been working better since I've put Daimine Earl Grey in here. I now have a bottle of Pilot Iroshizuku Takesumi, and I'll probably put that in here once I'm done with this. Then down here, I will put the sleep score here first. But yeah, what am I doing? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And I'm not always perfect when it comes to tracking my sleep score and tracking my workouts, but for me, the fact that it's here is what matters. And for me, being able to track part of it versus none of it is, yeah, better than nothing. So sleep. Then I will put workout. Oh, do I have enough room for, I hope I have enough room. I'm sure I'll have enough room. So putting down my workouts. Let's put that down first. And then write down my workouts. So Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So now there should be enough room here for my habits, but that all depends on what I am tracking for my habits. So, okay, so let's just say habits go here. And then the first thing I'm going to track is vitamins and audiobook, nighttime routine, and what I'm trying to do is try to draw every night. Drawing. And then last is no stationery spend. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's not that I'm necessarily on a no spend. I'm just trying to track how long I do not spend any money for. Perfect. Oh, I like that. All right. I think, oh, I forgot the weather. So going in with my Cow Kodomo, no, that's wrong. This is a stamp that I got from AliExpress for the weather, and this week is looking a little cloudy, and then when you get to Saturday, there's some sun, but then when I actually fill in the temperature, you realize that by the time we get to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're getting to temperatures of like minus 16 Celsius to like minus 22 Celsius. So, yay. All right, so there is the finished spread. I'm pretty happy with it. I love the colors of it. It's very wintry, but still happy. Now, I know some people are going to be bothered if they have any bleed through like that, but the thing is, I'm going to just write over it anyway. So to me, it's not a huge deal. And then I'm going to turn the page. For me, it's the fact that like I use fine and extra fine nib, so it's not as prevalent. It's just that particular ink that I chose from the previous week. Like for example, the only ones that were bleeding through were the ones that I checked off using the Birmingham PenChalet ink, and even there as well. So I'm gonna try and stay away, unfortunately, from Birmingham PenChalet. They're beautiful inks, but after this week, they seem to be the only ones, or really this month so far, they seem to be the only ones that are bleeding through on this paper. And even in my Planner Monkey Co, they're bleeding through that as well. So I may stay away from it for a little bit now. All right, that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. And these stickers come out this Friday, January 17th at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Thank you all so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.